This is the one I bought that did not work. Trico. This is the one I ended up buying that did work, which is also made by Trico. Rain guard. 15 bucks, 16 bucks. This was $10. Buy the more expensive one. 2015 Chevy Spark. It's toast on both ends. Rubber's just coming off. So I'm going to try to pop this thing off so you can see how to do it. And do a quick how-to and then be done. So all you do is grab it, lift it off, and then you have to grab right here, and it just kind of pops off. That's basically it. You can see a notch right there. So we're going to open the other one up, put it on, and test it. Trico exact fit. It's open. It's like a 12-inch blade. This may be the easiest video I've ever done. Just trying to get this notch lined up right there. There we go. No, that's it. That's it. So now I'm gonna go try it. It's not hitting up top. Wonder why. Yeah, this is real life stuff. Oh. Little manufacturing defect. Right there. That clip is supposed to be on the outside of the rubber, not on the inside. Right there. Look at the other one. No, bitch. Okay. You know, this one was kind of open when I opened it up too. So this was assembled wrong. You can see it's correct on that side. Try it again.
24 hours later.
Try number 2. Rain guard. We'll see. All right, that's a win. Had to go with rain guard to get it to hit the whole window. I think this is the same company, Trico. that I had earlier in the video. This is the one I bought that did not work. Trico. This is the one I ended up buying that did work, which is also made by Trico. Rain guard. 15 bucks, 16 bucks. This was $10. Buy the more expensive one.